just before the video starts, make sure you go and check out my website, ystech.org. This is the place where you're going to be finding the latest news and everything great in technology, from reviews to tutorials and much more. So make sure you go check it out in the description, ystech.org. I'll see you there. Hey guys, it is Boys from Tech here, and today we're going to be unboxing this Asus Prime B450M-A. Now this motherboard's actually my friend's, not mine, and he's building a computer soon. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy. So open it up, and cool. So looks to the left, we've got here some SATA cables, and I think you pull out like this, just like that, lift. So let the motherboard run, and there you go, we've got it up. So what else does it come with? It comes out with a user manual, a CD-ROM, and how to place everything on the motherboard. So it comes up with one standoff as well, and one I/O shield. It comes with, I get the motherboard out here, leave it nicely down here. It comes with two SATA cables. They're not very long, and one is a 90-degree angle and one is a straight connector. So I'm not actually going to open this guy up, but I can give you guys a tour with the plastic on. Okay, so this is a Asus Prime B450M-A, and it's basically like my one. It's a wee bit larger, it actually looks a lot better, in my opinion. So I'm going to leave it down here, and I'm going to zoom in. I don't know if you guys can see that actually. Okay, let me bring it up closer to the camera. There'll be a little bit of glare, but we've got a CPU socket. This is for 3rd gen Ryzen and 2nd gen Ryzen, also 1st gen I believe as well. We've got PCIe 16X right there. We've got an M.2 slot here. Don't know if it's NVMe. Normal CMOS battery. We've got 4 DIMM slots here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys can see that there. Sorry, not the best unboxing, but better to be safe than sorry. Okay, then we've got one chassis fan up here as well, one 4-pin, one CPU fan here, and it looks like they've moved the other chassis fan. Oh no, so it's got another chassis fan here as well, so that's an improvement over the B350. Not sure if you guys can see that right there where my finger is. There's another slot there, and there's one up here as well. So you have two CPU fan headers and two case fan headers and one CPU fan header. I don't know if they're RGB compatible. Got one 24-pin here, and you've got one 8-pin up here. One 8-pin here, one 24-pin here. What else have we got here? We've got the normal headers down here. Nothing too much to say about that. They are labeled, so they're not too hard to do. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 SATA connectors, just like my board as well. You guys can see that there. 4 here and 2 on the side. I believe if you plug in an M.2 SSD in here, you disable 2 of the slots. I'm not sure which SATA ports they are, but I know it disables 2 of them. So yeah, I mean, that's a tour of the motherboard. I can just give you a quick look at the back as well. It comes with the mounting plate already on, and it looks all safe. And let's go ahead and get this guy back in. So yeah, I mean, that about sums up the video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure you go and check out ystech.org for the latest posts, reviews, and much more. I'll see you guys there at ystech.org. But other than that, hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!